بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 6, I hope you'll be fine and you'll be happy. This is your English class and I'm your English teacher. As you know, we have started exercise of unit number 3. Today this is page number 36. On page number 36, this is our new topic, pronoun antecedent agreement. Pronoun antecedent agreement के बारे में हमने आज पढ़ना है. कहते हैं कि the word antecedent means something that precedes something else. In language, it is the word that a pronoun refers back to. Since the pronoun replaces the noun, it has to agree in number or gender. प्रोनाउन एंटीसीडेंट एग्रीमेंट जो है इसका सैम्पल मैं बताऊं कि जब हम किसी भी नाउन को इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम किसी प्रोनाउन को इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो उसी प्रोनाउन का इस्तेमाल करके जिस शख्स या चीज़ की तरफ इशारा किया गया होता है या जिस चीज़ की बात की गई है वो एंटीसीडेंट होता है. ठीक है. I mean that antecedent is the noun which the pronoun replaces are referred to. The antecedent and the pronoun must agree. जो antecedent हम यूज़ करते हैं वो noun होता है start of the sentence में, तो उसके लिए जो pronoun हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो वो उसके मुताबिक ही इस्तेमाल होगा. इसको agreement बोलते हैं. अगर नहीं होगा तो फिर disagreement होगा. ठीक है. यहाँ पे कहते हैं कि the pronoun which replaces the noun must agree with it in these ways. These are the ways. Okay. A feminine pronoun must replace a feminine noun. A masculine pronoun must replace a masculine noun. A singular pronoun must replace a singular noun. A plural pronoun must replace a plural noun. ये इसके ways हैं कि मिसाल के तौर पर antecedent अगर feminine noun हो तो उसका pronoun feminine pronoun होगा. अगर masculine noun है तो उसका प्रोनाउन जो है वो मैस्कुलिन प्रोनाउन होगा. अगर एंटीसीडेंट जो है वो सिंगुलर नाउन है तो उसका प्रोनाउन सिंगुलर होगा. और अगर प्लूरल है तो उसका प्लूरल होगा. ठीक है. दिस इज़ वेरी इजी. हियर इज़ द एग्जांपल. Man for the job, he knew him personally. Now this is singular antecedent, so the pronoun he is agree with the antecedent Rahmat. ठीक है. Between you and between the antecedent and the pronoun. Jamal is really popular among his colleagues. So the right answer is they like and respect him. Because this is colleagues are more than one, so the right answer is they. Before students take a test, they should prepare adequately. Now students are more than one, this is plural, so the pronoun must be plural like that. Since the doctor went to the medical school, he should know what treatment you need. Very good. He is the pronoun singular because the antecedent is also singular. Sadaf and Asim said that it is raining cats and dogs. So the right answer for this we, because this is 2 in number, cannot go outside to play. The right answer is we here. Dear students, I hope you understood today's lesson. Keep watching our videos. Stay happy and healthy up to next lecture. Thank you.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.